Now, we have learned that the South Carolina Law Enforcement Division is now investigating Colleton County Clerk of Court Becky Hill for her alleged actions during the Murdaugh murder trial.
WSAV's Joseph Leonard joins us now from our Lowcountry newsroom with what he found.
Abusing her power and helping make sure the jury found Alex Murdaugh guilty of murder. That's what News 3 has officially learned the South Carolina Law Enforcement Division is investigating. So what does this mean for Becky Hill's future and for Alex Murdaugh?
It's unfortunate. It's not good for our system, and it's confusing to the public and troubling to these jurors.
Attorney Joe McCullough is talking about new SLED investigations pointed at Colleton County Clerk of Court Becky Hill. One centers on her exchanges with jurors. Jury affidavits claim Hill pressured jurors to find Murdaugh guilty of murdering his wife and son, possibly going as far as to fabricate a Facebook post to remove a juror who may have believed Murdaugh innocent. McCullough represents several of those jurors and says if it's true, this clerk of court could be headed back to a courtroom, this time as a criminal defendant.
It has ramifications in a lot of ways, but of course, jury interference can lead to criminal charges. There's a very specific statute under South Carolina law providing for criminal penalties up to and including a term of imprisonment for jury interference.
The other charge focuses on if she used her elected office to make money. After the murder trial, Hill published a book about her experience. But after the jury tampering allegations and admitting to plagiarizing part of the book, production came to a halt. On January 16th, a judge will decide if there should be a hearing on those jury interference claims, a hearing which could lead to a new murder trial. And even if the judge approves the motion, McCullough says that doesn't mean a trial will ever happen.
Ultimately, if a new trial is granted, that doesn't mean it has to occur. I think that would be a consideration for the Attorney General's office to make, and that would be made in consultation with the victims.
The defense will have a new set of ears hearing their latest claims. All of this evidence and new arguments will be heard by a new judge. Judge Newman was forced by law to retire. Former South Carolina Supreme Court Judge Jean Toll is now presiding over the case. Joseph Leonard, WSAV News 3 on your side.